Feng Shui and crystals, guiding a powerful flow of clarity, beauty, and health into your life. It is necessary to become familiar with another science called Feng Shui. In addition to learning about the properties of stones, this ancient Chinese science teaches us very important points that are very practical for our current life. The lifestyle, layout of homes, construction of homes, and materials used in them usually disrupt the flow of energy in our space and environment. Feng Shui corrects this flow, which is called correcting the movement of energy flow in our space and environment. These energies need to be strengthened, and this energy strengthening causes blessings, happiness, health, and joy to flow in our lives, which are like rivers that flow into our lives. God has provided us with these energies, but we block them with our wrong lifestyle. The science of Feng Shui teaches us to open these barriers that these energies can flow into our lives and like a dam that forms the lake behind it. In us too, a lake of blessings, abundance, happiness, health, and joy is formed. A very important point in the field of gem therapy is that crystals can help a lot in this process, even more than stones. It is perhaps for this reason that in our religious sources it is said that the best type of gems are crystals. The world of crystals is amazing, both in terms of shape and the color and the forms they find in nature and the different environments, geographies, and levels of the earth introduce a beautiful collection of crystals that make up an amazing world of crystals. But in a conventional and ordinary way, it should be understood that these crystals can change the space of your life. My recommendation, as someone who has a brief experience in this field, is to get these crystals in their natural form and keep them at home, and even use them as ornaments in the same way as they are in nature. Nowadays, there are various examples of geodes available that are offered in different stores and can be expensive. But when you place one of these geodes in your home decor, you direct a strong flow of clarity, beauty, and health into your life. Unfortunately, in most homes of our comparators, or in most homes in the world, you don't see signs of these geodes. But the reality is that they are sources of energy and transparency and can change your life to the extent of their share, although you are the main changer yourself. Thank you for being with us so far. If the video was useful for you, please like the video. We will answer your questions in the comments. To see the next videos, subscribe and press the bell to be notified of the next videos. Until the next video, God bless.